Russia consistently unveils updated versions of their COD cages in an attempt to fortify their vehicles. However, these measures prove ineffective against evasion by FPV drones, especially when the vehicle is stationary. The insufficient armor of the BMP makes it susceptible to shape-charge warheads, capable of penetrating the entire vehicle. Adding to this vulnerability, Russia frequently fails to secure hatches or doors when abandoning these vehicles, making it easier for warheads to be deployed. This lapse intensifies the impact, resulting in widespread and devastating damage across various components. Consequently, internal fires often ensue, leading to the vehicle's destruction or explosion. This recurrent scenario depletes Russia's armored vehicle inventory, reducing their operational strength for subsequent engagements.